Okay, so with the pendulum sweep, this is certainly the most complex sweep that we have in our closed guard curriculum. It's really more of an idea or concept that applies to a lot of different ways to get somebody over, but this is kind of the standard pendulum sweep in our curriculum. So I'm taking the posting hand, preemptively stopping him from posting just like normal, and now I'm going to achieve an underhook on his opposite side leg. So whichever posting arm I decide to grab, I'm using a pocket grip in this case, I'm going to get an underhook with my arm on the far side leg or the opposite side leg. This is hand. Okay? So if he is sitting on his hamstring like he is right now, it's going to be difficult. I can't quite wrench my hand in there. So what I'm going to do is put my foot on the hip. I'm going to raise my hips up, making sure that I'm clamping onto my partner firmly, and then I'm going to bring him on top of me a little bit. When I do that, it's going to clear some space. Now I can start to reach in there. Okay? Now, as far as the underhook is concerned, sometimes you really need to exaggerate and get way underneath them at a 90-degree angle in order to make this work. Sometimes you can just be grabbing with your hand on the hamstring. It's always going to be a little bit different angle based on the size of your opponent and how they're reacting to you. Okay? Now, as far as the pendulum part of it, it's this leg. Okay? So I kick my leg to establish some momentum to get him to fall over, and then I'm going to swing it back the other way to get it out of the way so I can come straight up for the mount position. So I'm swinging my leg in order to make him fall. Now I'm getting it back out of my way. I'm kind of finishing the job by pushing with my hamstring and lifting my hand up. So once that happens, I can come up, have a good tight mount position. Okay? So I'm going to demonstrate that one more time. I'm here. I've got my posting arm. I'm going to use my foot on his hip to raise my hips up in the air, and I'm clamping onto my partner's torso firmly. Now, as I bring him forward, that's going to clear space, allow me to achieve my underhook on the opposite side leg. Then the hand that I'm grabbing, I'm going to then kick my leg to get him to fall over. I'm going to grab my underhook, and fall, come up, got my mount.